Now, you have selected the process to improve, and you are ready to kickstart your improvement project. How will you start your project? And what is your roadmap to complete the project successfully? The 10-step process improvement methodology guides you through the project from start until you come out with the improved future process. Let's have an overview of this methodology before going into the details of each step. The 10-step process improvement methodology consists of 10 steps spread over 4 phases. It starts with the getting started phase that consists of 2 steps. In the introduction to process redesign step, the project is scoped by drawing a macro flowchart of the selected process. The objectives are defined, and the management commits to these objectives and communicates this commitment to the entire team and stakeholders. In the process team formation, key stakeholders are defined. In specific, the project manager, the project team members, and the IT technologist if required. In addition, a communication plan and team ground rules are defined. The process analysis phase starts with the 3rd step, which is creating an as-is flowchart of the process. Here, the current state of the process is drawn and validated by on-site process walkthrough. In this step, the process is diagnosed for problems using what is called the 4 lenses of diagnosis that will be explained in the coming lessons. In step 4, you conduct customer interviews if applicable, where you meet with a selected group of customers and get information on their needs and wants, and on how you are ranked amongst other competitors in meeting these expectations. To get more insight into improving your current process, it is an excellent idea to have an overview of how your process performs in comparison to other competing and non-competing organizations. This is performed in the 5th step of benchmarking and best practices. The process redesign phase starts with the 6th step, where the project team use what they have analyzed in the previous steps to create the first cut of their redesigned future process. They use a set of 32 redesign principles to come out with multiple variations of the future process and select the final cut to move forward. Then in step 7, they obtain the stakeholders' agreement on the final design. They agree on the testing options before rollout and compile a plan to mitigate risks that may arise after deploying the future process. After that, the team share the final design with the process owners and customers to gain insight into any overlooked problems. They gather feedback and incorporate any necessary changes to the process before implementation. In step 9, the process is tested with various methods such as role-playing, simulation, pilot testing, before being fully implemented. And finally, in the 10th step, which constitutes the continuous improvement phase, the team create a measurement and feedback process to monitor process metrics and continuously improve the new process.